Hello and welcome back to Autodesk Fusion 360 channel on YouTube Frozen Blend. Today we will see three more sketch commands in Autodesk Fusion 360. First we have to click on the create sketch option. After that we have to select a plane. We can select top plane, right plane or a front plane as on the requirement of a design or a product. After selecting we today after selecting that plane top, we will select the top plane. After selecting a top plane, the plane will automatically become an horizontal on the screen. First, without clicking that, you will see that the you will see that plane will be on 3D side, and after clicking on a plane, the 2D view will be generated for designing or drawing a commands. Today we will see first of all sketch. In a sketch command, circle will be we will see circle. Circle has four. Circle has first center diameter circle, in which we have to decide a center and a diameter. Let's see. First we will define a center and then diameter of a circle. Basically, we can enter a value in a dimension box, or we can click over here on the screen today, and we can get basically all dimensions are in mm, so we are entering 100 diameter. Then next type of circle is 2-point circle. 2-point circle has In a 2-point circle we have to define a 2 point at first starting point and then end point of a circle. Basically, in the 2 point we are deciding a diameter of a circle. Basically, let's see 2-point circle. Then we have to we will see that next type of circle, 3-point circle. 3-point circle, we have to define a 3 point. First, let's see the first point, second point, and a third point. In 3-point circle, 3 point are to be selected, or after selecting a 2 point we can select a diameter. Then next type of circle, 2-tangent circle. For 2-tangent circle, we have to create two lines, or either as per the requirement. If in a sketch a 2 line is available, we can use this type of circle, but it is not available and we are flexible with this. We can create this 2 line by clicking on L or line. We can create a line. Let's see two tangent circle. Then another type of circle is three tangent circle. In three tangent circle we have to decide three points or the three lines where we have to keep a tangent on that. Three point circle, three tangent circle. Let's see three tangent circle. And next command is arc. Arc is a 3 point arc, center point arc, and tangent arc. Three types of arc are available in Fusion 360. 3 point arc, in that first endpoint, basically start point, end point, and a point on an arc. We have to select 3 point on arc. Let's see 3 point arc. Then another type of arc is 3 point arc is done and center point arc. In center point arc, select a center point, then select start point, and last select the end point or specify an angle value. Let's see center point arc. Tangent arc. Another type of arc is tangent. In tangent arc, we have to select a 2 point, similar type of that tangent circle. We have to select two endpoint of a line, then we can create a tangent on that. Another type of another type of sketch tool command is polygon. Polygon, as we can draw a polygon with a three methods with subscribed in a polygon. That means select a center point of a polygon, specify a value for a number of sides. Select the midpoint of an edge or specify a distance and select a point. In this, basically we have to for creating a polygon, we have to select center point, then end point, and then before that one dialog box will be there. We can enter the number of value sides basically. And another type of polygon is inscribed in polygon. Select a center point of a polygon and specify a value for the number of edges. Select a vertex point or specify a distance. We can select a vertex point or specify a distance. Then edge polygon. Edge polygons, for creating an edge polygon, we will see select a start point and end point of one edge, or select start point and then specify a distance and angle, and we can define a number of sides of a polygon. We can create 3 sides, 4 sides, 5th side as our requirement. Thank you for watching our video. Do subscribe our channel and please comment our doubts in a chat box, in a comment box, or you can DM us on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video.